Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both files and choosing your destination. Close Excel so Access can access the workbook. Save as XLSX to preserve formatting. Once done, inspect the header row and clean columns. Mixed data types cause import errors. Make sure you have the target database open in Access and either create a blank table or note the existing table name you'll link to. This speeds the linking wizard. Now go to External Data and pick Excel to start the link process. You now configure the actual link and mapping so data flows correctly. After selecting link to the data source, choose the worksheet or a named range. This keeps changes live. Make sure you check that the first row contains column headings, then explicitly set field data types where needed because Access guesses and sometimes misassigns. Once you map Excel columns to Access fields, decide on a primary key. Either pick an existing unique column or let Access create an ID. Preview the linked table. You finish by validating live behavior and handling common problems. Complete the wizard and then edit a value in Excel. Make sure the change appears in Access. This proves the link. If something fails, check for workbook locks, remove mixed data types, and confirm the named range or sheet name matches what Access referenced. When links break often, consider using an odd connection or exporting/importing for a one-time transfer. Finally, compact and repair the database to keep performance stable after.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.